Physical readiness check. Before using the ZSpace stylus, a brief physical readiness check is conducted. The assessment phase for motoric abilities. We start with assessment. First, motor coordination. Can the participant reach, grab, and rotate objects in the 3D environment using the stylus? Next, focusing abilities. We measure attention span, accuracy, and ability to stay on task despite distraction. The specific exercises are decided by the facilitator, but we suggest a few for illustration purposes. Use one chess piece to knock over another among the rest without causing others to fall. Guide a queen along a specific path. Remove the queen without topping the adjacent piece. Place a pawn on the rook so that it stands steadily on top. Decision point. If the participant is able to complete the exercises, we move on. If not, we continue practicing the previous tasks. Based on the individual and the targeted profession, the facilitator decides how long it is worthwhile to continue. If earlier exercises prove to be too difficult, we can step back to a simpler task that can be performed more easily. The facilitator can use chess game or other free games available to build challenging activities. Exploring professions with simulation tools. Learning how to handle virtual interfaces in virtual space requires fine motoring skills and maintained focus. After completing their basic trainings, participants can begin exploring different vocational skills through simulation-based tools. In the ZSpace platform, they might try welding tasks in a virtual lab.